Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to rotate object in free modeling function. Okay, so you guys can come to free modeling function here. Okay, you can drag out any object or you can create your own object. Okay, so if you click it, you will see three buttons: group, ungroup, rotate, and delete. Okay, you can press rotate and select the corner here. Okay, then you can adjust the ruler. Okay, then rotate it 90 degree. Okay, so it will rotate like this. Okay, so if I come here, okay, select in and rotate. Okay, you can adjust the ruler, okay, which way you want to face. Okay, let's say I'll face it this way, and if I click rotate, it will rotate opposite way lah. Okay, to the right. Okay, so you guys can try out. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Okay guys.